How to fix Warzone 3 can't join friends. In this video, I will show you how you can fix your problem in Warzone 3 that you cannot join friends. So for that, just open your game and just go to player section. Once you go to your player section, just try to join or match with your friends. If it's working, then it's okay. But if it's not working, then what you can do to join friends, just invite directly your friends on your party. If it's working, then it's fine again. But if it's not working, then what you can do more, just create your channel and add your friends to your channel. Once you add your friends to your channel, then you can join and you can play with your friends. If it's all working, then you can also restart your game and ask your friend to restart their game too. So these are some of the ways you can try, and if these all the options, one of them surely will work and you can join with your friends or match up with your friends in Warzone 3.